Yes, man. Elvis, we don't hear you, man. Hello. How are you?
Yeah, good.
It's me, Karim. Fine, man, fine. We're fine. Yes, we hear you.
Come on, let me track it there.
Oh, shit gold, man. Shit gold. Whoa. What a movement.
Alright, can you guys hear me now? Those on the live, can you guys hear me now? 1 2 1 2 1 2. Can you confirm? Let's start.
1 2 brother confirmed. You can hear you, boss.
Alright, great. So let's quickly start. So as usual, we do talk about cryptocurrencies. Welcome to my live streams. Of course, yesterday we didn't have a live stream because I did travel, right? But we are back again. I'm back home, safe and sound, and we are here to make some monies and learn something from the market. So today, quickly, we are going to do some cryptocurrencies. We'll do some Forex, of course, do some synthetics. Then, as usual, we end the day by trading US 30, Nasdaq or XPS 500, right? So let's start with something. What pairs do you guys want us to trade? Let me start with that. What pairs do you guys want us to trade? Let's start with that. Those on the Zoom, can you see my screen? You can see my screen here.
Yes.
Yes, please, you can see it.
All right, so let's start with what pairs you guys want me to trade. We will talk about gold. Yes, last time we had some gold sales. Now, if you guys remember, was it last 2 days, right? Max, so you remember, right?
Yes, please, I remember.
Yes, I even posted it on the Signal page. About gold yesterday. I even posted it on the Signal page, and I don't know why people were buying today. Why people were buying gold today? I don't really know why people were buying gold today. So
some people even went out of the trade.
Some even gave up on the trade. It was a swing sell, right? Now this was it. Look at the 4-hour time frame. Look at what's happening here. This was the 4-hour time frame, yeah. 4-hour time frame, market was an uptrend. Actually, you can see it was playing around in a channel, right? Lower lows, right? Lower highs, lower lows. So higher low, higher high, higher low, a higher high, another higher low, a higher high, a higher low. Now what happened here, Maxwell? What happened? What do you think happened here? What happened here?
Oh, okay, Doc. I think from that place, the trend of the trend got broken.
No, the trend. Okay, the trend got violated. Okay, got broken. Cool. But what really happened? That's what I want to understand. Precious,
There was
what
a
do you think?
rejection at the time.
So there were rejections there. The market turned back from there.
Olushola, what's up? How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. After
Okay,
from
so
that zone there, it turned back.
great. Normally, market should have respected this trend line here, right? Look at this. Market should have definitely gone for, you know, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, right? A higher low was here, right? So market definitely had to have a higher high.
Break
Do you get
market
it?
structure.
Good. So this couldn't have that higher high that we were expecting. This implies that there's been what? A break of what? Market structure. That is why we are no longer looking for buys again. We are looking for what? Either ranging or what? A new formation of what? A downtrend. Now look at what's happening now, right? Look at what's happening now. If we are to draw a trend line on this from, let's say, from here to here, it makes sense, right? What happens here? This now becomes what do we call this? Olushola, what do you call this? Precious. Am I moving too fast? Just let me know, because
I didn't hear the question.
All right. Let me start with the question, right? So I was saying, right, we were expecting a lower high here. Sorry, a higher high here. Market didn't really make the highest of highs, right?
It's a lower high.
Good. It's now couldn't break the previous highs, right? So this makes it what? Break of what? Market structure. We agreed to that, didn't we?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Great.
sir.
We agreed to that. Now, if market is having a break of market structure, we can now say that this is either going to be a ranging market or what? A downtrend. We are now looking for what? Downtrends. Good. We now understand that. Good. Now my question is, if I should draw a trend line, right? This just doesn't go for those on the Zoom. If you're on the live and you want to answer, you can help us answer. If you draw a trend line from here to here, right? We drew a trend line from here to there. There was another trend line constructed here. What does this point or this angle make?
That's a confluence to push the market for that down.
That becomes a confluence to push the market what? Down. So I don't know why people were expecting the market to push through this. That's why I was all bearish on gold. Even up to now, I'm still bearish on gold till 1774.
And Doc, I can even see some kind of bearish engulfing pattern over there.
Exactly. So why were people looking for? I saw a lot of pages saying buy gold, buy gold, buy gold. Why are you buying gold for? I'm not really matured in gold trading, but some basics are some basics, right? So let's draw another trend line on gold here. All right, let's draw another trend line on gold here. Boom. Now this makes sense. So if gold should even respect trend line, that means we are expecting gold to come where? Somewhere here.
Yes, sir.
Do you guys get it? So this is what I'm going to do. If I'm expecting gold to come there, that means my full TP would be what? Somewhere 17. Let me delete this. My full TP would be what? 1769. Do you get it? My final TP will be 1760. I don't know why people were looking for. So this was a trader we took 2 days ago. Yesterday I still updated people that I'm still holding gold. Gold is a swing sell. If you guys remember, I said that on the group, on the VIP group, even on the free Telegram channel, I said that gold is a swing. So I don't know why people were still looking for buys on gold. I don't know why people were still looking for buys on gold. So do you get why I took sells on gold? You think what?
Yes, Doc. I think normally if you have a swing sell or a swing buy, it should be done on a bigger time frame, because the 5 minutes time frame that people took the sells on, because it was jumping up and down at a point in time, some people think that it may be buying.
That is why you don't trade with these smaller time frames. I always say this. I make my analysis on the H4. I just look for entries on the smaller time frame. Right. So we can still be looking for gold sales to somewhere 1769. But our full TP has already hit. There's no need of what? Enter this market. Do you get it? So if you held with me during the whole time on gold, definitely you're in some blues. Ashi, how are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm very fine. Enjoying a setup, what do you look out for to select a time frame? What do you look at? So gold in up about how many pips? From we sold from 1791 to 1776, so it's up about 150 pips, and that's like, if you're going to even use 0.10, that's like $150, easy money. So imagine me using 0.50 or 0.30 or 0. You can see there's easy money. So it's just about obeying the simple market structure, doing the right thing, and not so I think gold has to come here. If it comes here, we are going to be looking for buying opportunities here, right? Buying up scalp buys to this side, back to this side, then we can maybe look for breakouts or what have you. That I think this would be a good time to buy on gold somewhere here, right? What do you think?
Yeah, exactly. If it respects the trend line.
If it respects the trend line, we are going to be looking for. But definitely it could have that, fake outs and go up again. So let's see what happened on gold. So I'm not looking for sells on gold anymore. Full TP smash from last 2 days and bang. So I'm just waiting for it to, come somewhere to the 69. Someone would say, obviously, why aren't we looking for more sales here? Why aren't we looking for more sales here? The reason why I'm not looking for more sales here is because I'm done with what I need to do here. I started here and we are here, so why would I be FOMOing on the charts? Yeah. So gold, we are going to be looking for buying opportunities on gold at this confluence, right? At this area, right? There are a lot of wicks here, so I just hope this support holds and we can have some buys on gold, right? So you can be scalp selling, but I'm out of the trade. So I took full profit, cool $750 profit on gold in 2 days. I held it for 2 days and I got it. So it's if you understand what you are doing, trust me, trading is going to be fun. Holding trades is going to be fun. You don't need to panic. You don't really care about the market going up, coming down, what have you. All right, it makes sense. Juliet, how are you? All right, so let's go to the next pair. What pair are you guys looking at? BTC. Let's talk about Bitcoin. Quickly.
Elvis, I think after this class, I'll try to make a setup on gold for the buys and selling.
Now let's talk about Bitcoin. A lot of people are falling for bull traps, and I don't like it. Right? I made a prediction that Bitcoin is going to 49k, back to 49k the last time. And what is happening on Bitcoin? And Bitcoin went to 43k, even hit 44k. I still stand with me being bearish on Bitcoin. I'm not bullish on Bitcoin currently. I'm still bearish on Bitcoin. Why am I saying I'm still bearish on Bitcoin? Bitcoin is currently on a bigger time frame, playing as a consolidation area. It's still consolidating. Market will definitely go up, come down, go up, come down, go up, come down, go up, maybe come down here. So I don't see why people are falling for bull traps. Some are even calling some are even calling this on alt season. Alt season. Buy when they Q4, buy altcoins, buy and hold. No, those are bullshit. I've been in this like for almost 4 years. I know what I'm talking about, right? Now, let's just not talk. Let's try to understand what is happening here. On the bigger time frame, like I said, this whole area is consolidating. I remember I told you guys last 2 days that I'm only bullish on Bitcoin if Bitcoin breaks above what? this zone, this resistance zone. What happened? It failed to break above. So that means we are still bearish on Bitcoin. Maybe we are not going to do anything. Maybe we are just going to watch it. I'm still in a Bitcoin sell. I've been in that sell for a long, since 66k. I'm still holding it. I don't care about the movement. I just move my stop loss into entry, and I'm still holding the whole thing, right? So I'm still bearish on Bitcoin. I'm not calling out any trade yet. Maybe I'll call out a trade if it successfully breaks below, because market has been holding this, this whole area for a long time. So if market successfully breaks this zone, I would definitely call a sell on Bitcoin to our final tip. So for now, no entries on Bitcoin. We just watch it. Right? What do you guys think? Emmanuel, are you?
Yeah, I think we should go.
Yeah, I think you're right though.
Yes.
Don't always agree
Yes.
with me. I want to know what you guys also think.
I think it's consolidating as well.
Yes, consolidating as well.
Yes, it's consolidating on the bigger time frame, right? Consolidating on the big. So I don't know why people are falling for. I call them bull traps, right? This is a bull trap, a clear bull trap. Market will give you, oh, it's pumping, let's buy, and a lot of people go into it and they get trapped. So I still think it's a bull trap. I'm still waiting for this whole thing is still consolidating on a bigger time frame. So I'm still waiting for maybe I remember some people were saying it's definitely going to go to 80k, 100k DEMs, but we want to really get into the market the right time. So I think I'm still bearish on Bitcoin to 49k, then maybe we push up, right? But if that doesn't happen, if it breaks above this level, that is only when I will change my bias for an 80k run. But for now, we still don't do anything on Bitcoin. We still keep watching it. Now let's talk about, someone says JBP JPY.
JPY is on the bank holiday now.
JPY is on a bank holiday. Okay, cool. Let's go back, check out our Forex factory. Yeah, today is Wednesday. Yeah, okay, so JPY is on a holiday. We are not going to trade JPY pairs. So guys, JPY pairs, we are not going to trade JPY. That's the first rule. Whenever we come into the market, when we see a bank holiday, we are not trading that particular. So JPY pairs are out for today, right? JPY pairs are out for today. Thanks for that. Thanks for that. I would have analyzed this market and took an entry and struggled here. All right. So apart from GBP, JPY, what other pair? JPY pairs are of US30. What are we looking at? US30. There's an FOMC news soon in like 5 hours. So I think I would rather trade US30 then. Or we can maybe get some scalp sells if I don't know. Scalp sells on US30, something like this. Okay.
Some small buys before.
Let me see it here on the phone. US30 looks bearish, right? It should sell before it buys. Before it news, it should sell before it buys. So we are looking for sells on US30. I would say a sell. Let's take a sell on US30.
Yeah, I did analysis on it on US30. I mean a sell.
You're still in a sell, yeah. Because if there's going to be an FOMC news, that means the market has to sell before it buys. So let's sell US30 now. Let's sell US30 now. Just scalp sells, okay.
My first TP is 35810.
gold is still selling, or it's buying
There's
now.
a zone. Yeah.
It will
When
keep
it's still
selling.
selling.
Yes, it will keep selling till it breaks below this zone, this previous, till it breaks this previous. So it has to go to 1769. Then we would get good buys, great buys. Right, so sell US30 now. Sell US30 now. That's going to be our first trade. Trading live really proves that you're a great trader. Trading live, man, it's not easy.
Elvis, why does gold does the big move before the market opens? Always 1 hour before
Yes,
the market.
yes. It's always it's a consumer market, right? It's a commodity. Commodities always make the moves before industrial or technological companies comes in. It's just always that. So gold is always traded an hour before New York session or 30 minutes before New York session. You don't see it move, great during New York session. That's how it's always has to be. Yesterday we caught some nice 170 pips move on US30. Yesterday we did catch some nice 170 points. So US30 sold now in profits. Let's see. Let me type it ASAP. Yes, definitely. I'm going to type it. So US30 sold now. Our TP should be 870 or 880. I haven't checked DXY today. What's going on DXY?
It's buying. Buying.
Okay, so if DXY is buying, that means gold should also buy and US30 should sell. So it's great. Stop loss 35, no, 36,040. Alright, so that's the US30 sells. Last 100 box strategy on 15 minutes time frame. Let's look at that soon. Let's look at that. Wow, GU had this move. I didn't see it. Nice move on GU. Gold, full TP smashed. Full TP smashed. Wow, beautiful. This was a 2 days hold. Right, confluence, boom, but it still has to go down. We will get another confluence here, so let me put a kind of an ellipse here, that there's a key zone that we are going to be looking for buying opportunities back on gold. So let's just ignore the sells, let's just leave it and get a great buy here.
I'll be monitoring it.
We can just use buy limits if you guys want us to. Okay, let's use buy limits. Let's use buy limits. Oh,
I think we should just relax and see how to go.
All right, Desmond. All right, Prophet Desmond has talked. So Prophet Desmond has talked. So let's just leave it. Okay, Shiba. Let's look at Shiba. Leave this shit. Like
Shiba
leave
deep
it.
though.
It's done. It's done. Like leave this. I don't know why people are here. Leave this. It's done. Look for other tokens or other coins that could.
The wheels have taken their money.
Yes, people are done with it.
Elvis, did you see what happened on Squid there? That new coin, which
Yes, let's look at Squid Games. I like it. It's the commentary for me. It's not even about the coin. It's a commentary of that guy for me. I don't know if you guys saw the video. Holy shit! I don't know if you guys saw the video though. He was like, it's pumping. Holy shit, it's going down 0. Are we buying the dip here? Should we buy the dip?
isn't it a dead coin now?
No, it's dipped. So let's buy the dip.
Really? Okay, cool.
Buy the dip, Desmond. I'm not in this one.
Are you serious?
No, I'm not serious. Well, it's a token. I don't trade tokens. I don't invest my money on tokens. I have friends in South Africa, in Nigeria that have tokens. I don't invest in them. I told them that if you are really sure about your project, make sure it gets established on top cryptocurrency exchanges. That is when I would invest my money in. Because if your white paper has lots of goodies, that means a lot of people will definitely invest in your project. Tokens are just memes. When I say memes, they are just, unproven coins, right? It's just anyone can just come out there and do their shit. So man, it is what it is. US 30 in, I wouldn't say in big profits, in little profits. Just like 10 points profits. Well, let's see how it goes. I wouldn't be surprised when New York session opens, this goes up, comes down, right? Yesterday the market was really strong. Always do check for euro odds. Let's do that. There was an NSD news today which was it bullish? Okay, came out good. So NZD pairs. Let's look at them.
Yeah,
Euro NSD.
I mean a buy on NZ.
What's pair?
NZD JPY.
JPY pairs. We are not trading JPY pairs. We said we agreed on not trading JPY pairs today. US 30. Nice. Running 20 points in profits. Gold would maybe scalp buy before going down, right? It just does that. All right, so let's look at the NZD JPY. We are not trading JPY pairs, so JPY pairs are out. So let's just look at NZD USD. Really, but I think it's coming for a break and retest, guys. It's coming for a break and retest. Look, broke out, retested, and maybe boom. So there's nothing to trade, or maybe it could come back here. There's nothing confirmed here that we should trade. Okay, Emmanuel is saying as 100 box strategy. Let's go look at that. That's 100. Wow. 15 minutes box strategy. Let's see. He's talking about 15 minutes. Okay. Okay, 15 minutes. All right, so cool. So we're looking at this. Let me delete everything and let's look at that box over there for NAS. I think we'll trade NAS today. So Emmanuel, what's your bias here? That's your bias here. I already talked about Bitcoin, guys. I already talked about Bitcoin. Next time, do join early. Alright, so you don't miss. GBP CHF. So now we are still waiting for either a breakout above or a breakout below this 15975. Then we take sales. So let's see. US 30 in profits. Bitcoin I already explained to you guys, right? So I don't know what else you want me to talk about. All right, let's check step index. Let's check GBP CHF before we go to step index. So GBP CHF, bro, it's ranging, right? There's nothing to trade here. It's ranging. There's nothing to trade here. Nah, this is not anything that you should trade. Some trades, some setups, you see them, bro. It's just going sideways. It's just moving up, moving down. There's nothing to trade. Leave it. Right? There's nothing to trade. Leave it. Now let's go do some synthetics. I have a lot of synthetic pairs for you guys. Yesterday we caught this on Crash 500 on the synthetic page. Who is on the synthetic page here?
Me.
Right, so we did some, I think more than 100 pips on Crash 500. Today, step index. What do I think on step index? Last time we did some buy stops above at 9224, right? Look at it. Last time we did some buy stops at 9224, right? And our TP was 250, so we've smashed TP already, plus 250 pips on step index too. Plus 250 pips on step index already. So this is what we are going to do on step index. If you are going to trade step index, what are we going to be looking at? Step index. So I think step index has to come to this area before it goes down, if markets will respect trend line. So we are going to do this. We are going to put sell limits, right? Step index, sell limits. Sell limit at 65, right? And our TP will be 9230, 350 pips. No stop loss. I will update if anything. Okay, no stop loss. 65, and we will be done.
Hello, Alvis.
Yes, sir.
Can we check VIX 75 1x?
VIX.
Yeah.
All right, let's do check VIX 25 1S
75.
75. Okay. So guys,
One
first trade, you can put it there. Sell step index, sell limit, put a sell limit at step index at the price of 9265, right? Five, and your TP somewhere there on step index. First trade, I have a lot of trades for you on synthetics. Right now, I've been doing more of synthetics than Forex for some reasons. Let's look at the next thing. VIX 251S. I have a trade on VIX 251S too for you guys. VIX 251S. VIX 251S. Okay, so VIX 251S, you can see what is happening here. Basic market structure, what's happening here? Asante, explain to us. Olushola, explain to us if you can.
Ma. How about you?
The market is
Downtrend, right?
on a downtrend, yes.
Lower highs, fake outs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. So I would be selling VIX 251S to this point now. So sell VIX 251S too. Sell VIX 251S. I said I have a lot of trades for you guys. Sell VIX 251S. On step index, sorry, on synthetics. Sell VIX 251S now. TP is open. Let me put it that way. TP is open. Stop loss is also open. Take profits when you feel like taking profits, but know that this is the whole target. Right, this is the whole target. So 2 trades so far. VIX 251 is exactly descending triangle or descending wedge or descending channel. Very, very simple trade. People, trading has to be very simple. Okay, trading has to be very, 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 very simple. Keep shit simple. Keep shit simple. Very, very simple.
I'm back. I said VIX 75 1x.
Okay, I know you said VIX 75 1S. I know. Yeah. I'm just giving them some free trades. Okay. Let's go to the next trade. I prepared some nice. I've gotten it to the stage that I don't really make setups. I just put a downtrend, a trend line, and I just, because I've seen it all here now. I'm not bragging.
Yeah, like the trading has become very easy for you.
It's not easy. Trading is not easy. Chill. It's not easy. It's not easy. We still lose some monies. I prepared a nice course for you guys. Now look at this. This is what a downtrend. Right. This is a downtrend. Lower highs. What? Lower low. Lower high. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Why is this a lower high? Because market didn't break the previous market structure. That maintains the market structure. Went for what? A lower low here. What are we expecting on Boom 500?
Lower
high.
Lower high to somewhere here. But market structure.
هنا بشتغل على البروفايل كونتاكت بس جبت الميديوم ناطق اتش ام
Very simple market structure. So if I'm going to be going on a bias here, I'll be looking for what? Buys on what? Boom 500. Makes sense, yeah? And look at this. I wanted to await confirmation, so I did, market will consolidate. So I did this box above, and you could see it has broken above. Very beautiful. So let's take buys on Boom 500 too. TP open, stop loss open. We will come back and update the trade.
Small accounts, be careful.
But the small account, definitely they are going to use 0.20. But I think the whole TP should be 5,250. The whole TP should be somewhere 5,250. That's like 600 pips. Because it's a 1D chart. So I'm expecting it to come up here. Then we continue. But if it can also come up here, and go down. So Boom 500 buys on Boom 500.
Please, let's check the 1 hour.
Nowadays I don't check smaller time frame. I just look at the whole trend and of the market. I'll just make my prediction to enter the trade, and I just go do my thing. I don't waste time on synthetics. And it's very, very funny that 1 hour. I think 1 hour has a break and retests. Broke out, retested, broke out again. Maybe it would come here, consolidate it before going up. One thing about using a 1D time frame and a 4-hour time frame to trade is because you are waiting for confirmation. But I've reached that kind of that level of trading that I don't really wait for confirmation. Sometimes I just look at the chart. Okay, this is the direction of the market, let's ride this way, and I just go, and I pay attention to candle behavior, right? It takes experience. Trust me, I've lost a lot of money with this. It takes a whole lot of experience. Know the direction, ride with the direction. I made a very, very nice course for you guys, synthetic indices. Made a very, very nice course. It's going to help you. I'm here to post it though. Elvis, can you open a trade with $20 on synthetics? Cause that shit moves fast. Who saw my last Instagram post? Go check my last Instagram post. You see it. A lot of people were trading with $10, $20, $50, but they still made 200% or 300% off $200, off $20, $10. So, bro, any shit is possible here. Anything is possible here. Sorry. We're starting retracing. Okay. We're starting retracing because gold is. So let's buy gold now. Wait. Let's put a buy limit on gold. Oh wait.
Yes. So I don't think we should buy it now. The market has not yet settled.
On what? Gold? No, we are not going to buy gold now.
Yes,
of course, we are not going to buy gold now. We are just going to wait for. Let me check. We're just going to wait for. Let me look at my whole view here. This would make sense. H4. No, we are going to buy soon. Put a buy limit on. Put a buy limit on gold at 1769. Buy limit on gold. Precious, I'll explain to you why I'm taking this trade. Maybe you may be right.
Okay, sir.
Maybe you may be right. Let's see. I don't want us to miss this. Buy limits on gold at 1769. Buy limit on gold 1769. Our TP should be 79 as usual. 79 TP 79 100 pips. Yes, I know there's news coming in an hour, guys. I know there's okay, there's a news. ISM really wouldn't be affecting gold that much. ISM wouldn't be affecting gold. ISM should be affecting manufacturing companies on stocks, not gold. All right, so buy limit on gold.
You don't trade silver, right?
No, I don't trade silver, but we can trade silver if you want. I'm in.
Yesterday, silver made a big move down.
Wow. And our stop loss on gold would definitely be 50 pips right below this. So our stop loss on gold would be here. Stop loss on gold would be 1764, 50 pips.
Silver moves would go like basically the same.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, then let's look at silver too. I don't trade silver, unfortunately. I don't need to trade.
Silver trades hand in hand with gold. Yeah. It goes hand in hand.
Silver.
So if gold is buying, definitely US 30 should be looking for. We should be looking for buys on US 30. But let's still hold the sells, right? let's do what they sells for some reasons. Let's do what they sells on US30. For gold, wow. Let's put buy limits on gold as usual. BNB was fire. Nice.
There was a news that came, I think, 12:30 GMT. I think now put steroid for gold, but even gold it drop like this.
But gold
It's all this type of-
was appointed to drop.
No,
Yeah,
it
gold
was,
was
but
very
all these kind of
better.
long candles. These long candles, I love seeing them, man. Not like all these short ones forming the sale. These long ones that will give you this vibe of yes, what is selling.
It's not a currency pair, so like it actually moves.
Mhm. Now take profit 79, stop loss 64. Wait. That is what we are going to do on gold today. Alright, so I'm done entering with all my buy limits. I'm done with all my
And
buy
Elvis,
limits.
check this thing. It never goes wrong. I just checked DXY now. It's really pushing up. This correlation with DXY and gold, they never go wrong. At all.
So that means gold should be buying.
No, DXY is going up. That is why gold is selling.
No, it doesn't work that way. If DXY
Check
is
it.
pushing up, gold needs to push up. But let's see. It's just 10 minutes to New York session. And you can see US30 going down, right? Because DXY is buying. So I'm expecting gold buys, US30 sells today. Those are going to be my two trades for today. I'm just expecting it. So let's see, maybe we can ride the market back.
Doc, are you using the 4-hour time frame for the buy
Yes,
limit?
I'm using the 4-hour time frame. Goodbye to your small time frames.
Yeah. Smaller time frame.
I'm back with my bigger time frames. Okay, it should get triggered soon, and we get the vibes. If it triggers, then we hit stop loss to Inshallah Allahu Akbar. Inshallah. What's the meaning of Inshallah?
By God's grace.
By God's grace. No, by God's grace, we will do good.
Amen.
Alright, so about to get triggered. Let's hope for the best. Inshallah Allahu Akbar.
Doc, I'm using 0.01 or I have $84.
Okay, let's get this. If it gets triggered, do let me know. Triggered, right? Alright, so triggered. Oh no.
Not yet.
No, not yet.
Wow, why?
And it's pushing up now.
Okay, mine hasn't triggered too. Okay, just close the buy limit and just buy now.
I think it's still pushing down for one more last time.
Okay, let's see. To get triggered soon. Let me see.
I'm buying now.
Just close the buy limit and buy, guys. Close the buy limit and buy. Because we have 8 minutes, right? Close the buy limit and buy. We have 8 minutes. I'm expecting something huge. I'm expecting something huge. Okay, I think the buy limit has triggered. Okay, now let's see. I'm expecting something huge.
I want those day focus for life.
Right, stop loss at 1764. TP 1779. Let's see. Gold. If God will, inshallah. What is the meaning of that? TP 1779. Okay. So we just need a rejection to send this thing back up. The whole direction is a downtrend, but I'm expecting something huge this way. Like we explained here, right? Lower lows, lower high, lower lows, definitely maybe a lower high. But it's also possible market can come to the main support, this whole zone is very, very possible. But I just pray it doesn't, or I just hope it doesn't. Yeah. So New York session in 5 minutes. Let's see. Say Harvest Forum says is in God we trust. Inshallah. So gold still moving, playing around entry. Ignatius Chukwudi Okoli. That's a Nigerian name.
What a name.
Gold on 1769 would go up again. Let's see. We had 9 cells, one almost 200 pips, because we took this cell somewhere 1794. 200 pips on gold last time. Let's see if we can get 100 pips now. Yes, gold triggered Juliet. US30 is retracing up. Wow. We're still playing around entry. Retracing up doesn't mean it's. Let's see. Let's go check on step index. So boom, 500 in little profits up. Step index. Let's see if it would get triggered before we end our live stream. Okay, so it's still pushing up. I said 65, yeah. So let's see. And what other pair did we talk about? VIX 251S, right? Keeping shits very simple. Market structure very simple. So we'll be taking buys here on VIX 251S. Let's finish with our US30 and gold. I'm still holding the sells on US30, okay, and I'm holding buys on gold. If you just joined, welcome. I'm holding sells on gold. Sorry, sells on US30, buys on gold.
But it's they really trade on 625
Pardon?
625
Come again.
was trade taking over there.
Come again.
6251S. You said we should sell, right?
Yes. So.
6251S.
Yes.
We don't sell.
6251S. Yes, I said so.
Okay.
What's up with it?
We're still playing around entry, so
Yeah, cool. So it should keep playing around entry. Yes, this gold trade tested a lot of people's patience. Took 2 days to make 200 pips move. Could you have waited for that 2 days? Many couldn't. I think US30 will buy. Okay, so if you think US30 will buy, just buy it. Don't. If you think it will buy, just buy. Make your money, man. Like, no stress. Yeah, it could buy though. It's a good thing. It could buy though. UGXY is up. I'm looking for sales there, and maybe I would buy later. I think yes, it's going to be a buy, but I would definitely buy later during the FOMC news. That would be a best time to buy.
Is it that every time the FOMC affects the US30 positively?
Yes, it does affect the US. It's FOMC is USD, so definitely it will affect US30.
So it might be negative or positive. Yeah.
Yep. The US New York session open. Let's see. Wow. What's happening on US30? Boom, sells. Told you. So gold should be buying soon. Yay. Oh, gold pushing down. Always kindly check gold. I'm checking gold. I'm here. Okay, chill. All right, gold still pushing down. Maybe coming for stop hands. Let's see. I'm still holding it. Right, I'm still holding it. The only problem with 1760, the only problem I have with people is they don't have patience. They see little red, they come to my DM stressing me, yo. Right, US 30. What's happening on US 30? Wow, went for buys, but let's see. Still, maybe it could be a buy before sells before buys or something. Let's see on US 30.
Look at that. I think it's just retesting.
Yeah,
that
just
strong
retesting
with the
exactly. Because, and if US 30 should be buying, gold should be selling. That is what I think. So let's see. If you remember last time's gold, I don't like it when I'm on live and people are testing me. Boss, should we buy this? I hate it. Come to the live, learn. You don't come, you later come stressing me out. And this is one of the reasons why I'll stop sending signals soon. Yesterday we made 170 points on US 30 on VIP. Someone used 0.05 and made almost $900. The person still came to my DM. Should we keep holding? Like, if you were in my shoes, how do you answer such a person? Someone would work.
900.
Someone will work and wouldn't get $900. You have $900 and you come still asking me, should I keep holding? And these are same people that will lose money and they will come to us that, yo, it doesn't work that way, bro. You have $900, take some profits. You don't need to come ask me again that, boss, should I close? Should I keep holding? Hold close for what?
Yesterday I missed US 30, but I did $800 on gold.
Yeah, the gold sales, right?
Yes.
Beautiful, very very beautiful. You made $800.
Gold and
It's
jewels
done.
now.
Guys, don't be selfish. Don't be greedy. Like, yo, I even the signal provider, I made just I don't even how much I made, like 200 or so. People are making 1 million of this shit, $500,000 of this shit. I'm making just 200. You have 900. You didn't really do any work. I slept. I made this analysis. I sent signal. You just copied and then pasted the trade. You have 900. You still come to ask me, should I close? Like, what should I tell you? Don't close. Just leave it there. Like, don't come to my DM and stress me, please. So I'm still holding US 30 cells. And I'm holding gold buys as well too. Gold buys did, I think it came up to 20 pips up, right? So let's see.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Yeah.
I'm trading just gold and US 30 today, not trading any currency pair. Not trading any currency pair.
Gold will sell again. To buy. Sell again.
No, the legend has spoken. Okay, yeah, we talked about NAS too. So US 30, I'm still holding a sell on US 30. I told you guys. Still holding a sell. Beautiful. Whoa. What's the cost of your VIP? $150 lifetime. $150 lifetime. You get lifetime signals, lifetime mentorships. It's just one-time payment. Yeah. Beautiful US 30. Nice. 60 points in profit US 30. Let's look at gold.
Serious power.
Let's look at gold. Gold still pushing up, going according to plan. Yeah. Just patience. Just being patient. Nice. Wow. And like US and Bitcoin too, I told you I made a prediction on Bitcoin too. Right? Bitcoin, I'm not still bullish on it. I'm still bearish on it. I'm only bullish if it breaks above this level, and of which I'm going to update you guys too. I stopped updating you guys on Bitcoin because I feel like, I'm just stressing myself. Let me just make my own money my way. Trading is about being patient. Even this gold trade was just testing a lot of people. You see a nice 4-hour trend. I even sent a screenshot of this chat to the group. But who listened to me?
Wow.
NSD USD, I never predicted it. We never took any NSD trade. I only said that it's just coming for a break and retest. Maybe so, I don't know. Just leave it. I'm not in that trade. I'm not trading currency pairs today. I'm only trading US30. Which of course is moving nice in blues. Yes, guys, please, I almost got furious, right? But forgive me. I almost got angry on the live, but forgive me. It's sometimes stressing, right? Sometimes very, very, very stressing. Wow. Whoa. 90 points in profit on US30. Like the video, guys. Kindly do like the video. 90 points on US30. Let's go check gold. What is gold doing to us? Gold still playing around entry, but like I said, always patient. Always be patient. We are still targeting 100 pips on gold. Okay. US30, 90 points in profit. Check the DXY. What should I see? Check on DXY. When the US30 legends speak, listen to the guys. They don't listen to me, and that's my problem. They don't listen to me.
Is it crocodile?
Like, who is listening to that crocodile video? I still remember that day.
I'm liking your bits.
Prophet Elvis, I love you, man. I'm in all blues. Bless. God is kind of trying to stress us a bit, but let's still wait. It's all about being patient, okay? Once US30 has sold, that means gold has to be bullish. And Bitcoin, love this sell. Love this sell. So let's see. Let's see. Gwen not available tonight. Gwen is not available today. I don't know where she is. Maybe she's watching us live now. All right. US30 sells, gold buys. Two trades. That's all. Two trades. That's all. That is all.
I think we should move our stop loss to the US.
Yes, of course. Move your SL to entry, protect the capital. But I still think more souls. Like you said, gold will buy and our patience will probably pay in 80 minutes. Let's see. Beautiful on gold. So gold buys. Let's see, man. US30 sells. Beautiful. Precious, do you understand why I did take a sell on US30? Should I explain
yes,
why?
Yes, sir.
Oh, maybe you're good
the sell
now.
on US30.
Yeah.
The sell on, or the gold buy, which of them? Because the sell on US30, me and Asante already analyzed that since morning.
Alright.
But the gold buy is
Great.
what I don't. No, I don't understand the gold buys. Please explain. I don't understand
Yeah,
how.
but Doc, do explain the sales too. The sales on your statue.
All right, so let's look out for this word. Before we come back to the trades, let's look out for this word. Legend. Let's look at the meaning of a legend. Legend meaning. Let's look at a meaning of a legend. When they say someone is a legend, right? Let's look at the meaning of a legend.
Is even
A legend is a genre of folklore that consists of a narrative featuring human actions believed, perceived both by a teller and listeners to have taken place in. No, that's not the meaning that I'm looking at. Oh, okay. Let's look at legendary. Legendary adjective of. Oh, come on, you guys. Okay, there's a good meaning here.
I think you should type legend noun.
Characteristics of a legend or a legend creatures. Well known, famous. I'm not well known though. I'm not famous. No, these are not giving me proper. Someone should explain the meaning of legend.
The meaning of legend is synonymous to
Please, you said you are not famous.
It was not good, so you don't understand the question.
Oh, God is pushing down. Oh, God is pushing down, guys. But let's see. There's news in 60 minutes. So let's do hold on. Right, we have news in 60 minutes. I hope it doesn't go against us though. I hope it doesn't go. ISM. ISM has been bullish. Let's see. There's news. Definitely, market will definitely pump before sales. Who knows? Gold, please don't hit stop loss. No, for US30 to sell, I'm confident about US30, but I don't want gold to hit our SL before going up. If it hits stop loss, we will still have a re-entry. I hope it doesn't. Our stop loss is at 1764. Oh, I hope it doesn't. Please don't hit stop loss. I'm still waiting for some. What is the meaning of a legend? A legendary person.
I know that legend is synonymous to Elvis. When you say legend,
No, like the meaning of that word.
When gold is going for
Obia on kasa mienu. Kasa baako pe.
In English, how are you going to say that?
Wow, this is selling.
Yeah, Bitcoin is selling. I told you, Bitcoin was never bullish. It was never bullish. It was just buy traps. A lot of people will now be buying altcoins and stuff, and they get trapped. I was just looking at them, and now I've said that I'm never going to comment on these things. The gold, the Bitcoin again, because I realize people still don't, they still, even if when you tell them to buy and it doesn't go, they come attacking you and stuff. I don't want that. So quietly in your room, you just make your prediction, make your money, you have your piece of life.
So check the comment. I've sent something the Zoom, the chat.
Raymond Frimpon says, okay, keeping up with Jupe Girl says VIX 251S is buying, please. Good, we are in blues there too. Legend is when your village people fear you. Hey, we are still holding the gold buys, don't worry. Legend is when your
believe me, legend is Elvis Justice.
Just 251 is you are in deep reds, doc.
And legend means you are a genius. Okay, cool. Legend means you're a genius. An extremely famous, notorious person. Do you know what a notorious person is? Alright, TK, I see you. How are you? TK is saying stop loss at 1760.
Legend means you are Elvis Justice Beddy.
TK, why are we moving stop loss to 1760? Do you have that kind of funds to move? Don't worry, it's just a 50 pip stop loss. Don't worry, I'm still bullish on gold, trust me. If it hits stop loss, we'll still re-enter. Inshallah. Allahu Akbar. God is great. Allah is great. Or is it God is great? At TK, gold should reach 1759. Let's see. No one is going to convince me to close this trade now. If it hits stop loss, we'll get another entry. Alright, if it hits stop loss, we'll definitely get another entry. No one is going to convince me. No one. Alright. Gold in drawdown now. US 30 in blues. Those are the two trades I'm going to take today. No currency pair today.
VIX 251 is red.
It's in red, huh? No, it's,
Yeah,
it's a hold.
it's
It's a hold. Don't worry, it's still going to come here. Focus on the whole market direction. I've given you the trend. Okay, it's going to sell.
Elvis, I have one signal on the 101S. Okay.
What's your bias on it?
I'm selling 101S.
Why are you selling 101S? Right, so soon our sell
there are
limit
many
will get
reasons.
activated on step index. Soon our sell limit will get triggered on step index. Let's watch it. Okay, let's talk about 101S. Boom, I'm still bullish on boom. Though it's in a little red, I'm still bullish on boom. VIX 101S. Okay, so this is VIX 101S. What are we looking at? It's
The only
market.
reason I like trading live with these guys, they give you courage to hold trades. Maybe a trade that when you feel this you tracing, like you just want to close.
Yeah.
I want your mentor tells you relax.
But if you are definitely, you not see trades, move from profit. You just don't enter trade and you expect quick profit that way. That's not trading. That's not trading. All right, so VIX 101S, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. It didn't break this up. So I'm looking for sells here. Is that your bias too?
Yeah, that's my bias.
So I'm looking for sells, big sells.
Yeah,
On
very
this
big
100.
ones. My first TP is at 5102.
So let's add this to, guys. Let's add this to. Step index will get triggered soon. Let's add this. Sell VIX 101S TP open, SL open.
Okay.
I've closed the US 30.
Why? What happened?
Jadi sure.
What happened to you yesterday? The way this guy said I've closed, I'm even scared. What happened? What is happening there? It's good.
No, Evan, no, don't mind me. No, there's something I'm doing.
Alright,
I'm
so
doing up for psychology for head for trading on demo account. So don't mind me, I beg. I've hit my this thing for the day. That's right.
right, if you've hit your target for the day, you are done trading for the day. Of course, discipline, guys, discipline. If you are done with trading for the day, you are done. There's going to be a news in 8 minutes. This is going to push the market either for us or against us. So prepare to cry or smile or laugh.
But let's do extreme. What do you think?
Pardon, we should close the stream.
No, let's risk freely.
On US 30, you can even take your profit here. It's running about 100. Is it 100 points or
35 to 90.
you took it at 36,000?
About 100. About 120.
Sell Nas, good entry. Let's see for Nas 100. Wow. I don't know why people are panicking. You are trading with a legend and you are panicking. Wow. Should I close? Do you think we should hold? What do you think? Hey.
They don't know the power of a legend.
Yeah, they don't know. They still don't know. These people hasn't discovered. Definitely, you are going to lose some, win some, lose some. But
Elvis, we all man betted that. We all man betted.
no, they didn't bet. Yesterday, I was having a lot. Almost 4 a.m. I traveled and almost 4 a.m. I was seeing a lot of tests. Should we close gold? What do you think? Gold. Now look at gold. Beautiful.
When
now,
your
gold
match
has,
is
gold has even gone and hit. Market was trying to have that up down thing. People, it was just faking you out. The direction was eminent. Now we are even praying for buys now. Imagine.
Eminent, straight.
Now
when your team is down 3-0, 75 minutes, you understand how your heart will beat.
You have Cristiano Ronaldo. You just bet straight win.
Hey. Alright, so he's saying that's 100. Nah, I'm not going to take this trade. So guys, it's time to go away from US 30. Yeah, it's time. It looks like it's time. I'm not taking NAS 100. But it was a nice clean move, 100 points on US 30. Very, 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 very beautiful run here. It's very, very beautiful run. We almost hit the full 120 points, but I still think it's going to go down though. And gold should push up, but man, it's the market, right? Gold in a big drawdown. Let's see what happens.
Doc, you have not explained why you took the sales on the US 30.
Why I took sales on US 30, and no one gave me the meaning of legend. That should be the best answer for you.
Legend is someone who does something and it seems easy because they've done it for a very long time. They have experience in it.
They have not blown an account before. They are too emotional. You can't be too emotional here. Trust me, guys. You can't be too emotional here. You can't be too emotional here. You see -$2. You're already testing your mentor, disturbing me 4 a.m.
-$2.
And I asked this person, how much are you losing? I asked this person, how much are you losing? He said, no, I'm up $900. You're up $900 and you're asking me, you're panicking. I don't want to lose the 900. If you don't want to lose it, just
someone has traded for like 4 years. They haven't
even made $900. You get me? All right, guys. So let's move our stop loss. Right. Let's do this quickly on gold. Let's do this. I don't want us to get stopped out before it goes up. I'm still confident about this sales on gold. Right. So let's put our stop loss here. This is 64, 63. Right. Let's put our stop loss at 62. Move your stop loss to 62 on gold. Everyone here, move your stop loss to 62, so we don't get stopped out. So if our stop loss is going to be 62, that's going to be like 70 pips, right? 62. That means we should be looking for more opportunities here. So let's readjust our TP. Also readjust your TP, okay? Readjust your TP on gold to 85. So it becomes, we are risking 70 pips for 150. It becomes sensible that way. But I just hope you don't hit stop loss. That's what I'm looking for. Few minutes to the news. Let's see how the news goes. Gold buys, gold sells, gold buys. Let's see. Yeah, I told you it's time to opt out of US 30 because it seemed that it's hard to go up. That means gold should also drop. Gold dropping would also be. Let's see. Looks tricky here. It looks very, very tricky here. So in 2 minutes, guys, right? Be prepared to cry or be prepared to laugh. Okay, 2 things here. Be prepared to laugh or be prepared to cry. Thanks, Dr. US 30. I made some few bucks on your signal today. Guys, if you made some bucks, do tag me, yeah? Do tag me. Alright, gold pushing up now. It has resurrected. Let's see. I don't expect the move to, like I told you guys, that moves don't really happen during the session or during us having a live here. Moves can happen after the session. Step index triggered. Beautiful. Let me add more positions even to mine.
No, this was a bias for step index. It's a buyer.
Sell.
Step index.
Oh, gold pushing down. Oh. Did it hit stop loss, guys? Do update me. Did it hit stop loss? Did it hit stop loss? Update me.
Gold.
Yeah. Has anyone been stopped out?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay, good. We are good. We are still good.
The news is positive.
If news is positive, that
The
means
news was positive.
Gold will come down.
yes, gold has to come down. Let me see. What's up?
666.7 against.
Where is Forex Factory?
Is it green? Is it green?
Let's see.
Yes.
It's
It's not in yet. It's not in yet. The news is not in yet. Chill. It's not. It's still loaded. Okay, it's green. So buy.
It's green. It's
Okay.
US
So
30 out. Good down.
great. Still, ISM news is a manufacturing news. It only affects stocks. It doesn't affect indexes. Okay.
Yes, for me, I'm still
holding
selling.
positions.
Yeah.
I'm still holding positions.
Who's fly? Then you cancel. This is not good.
Don't be doing that, else you'll be blowing accounts. All right, so that's the reason why we moved stop loss on gold. We would have faced stop loss by now. But look at this, okay. Oh, step index triggered. Yes, I know step index. But look at this. Look at this on gold. Look at this. We have FOMC statement 1 a.m. my time. That should be somewhere 10 p.m. or 9 p.m. your time, Ghana time or something, right? I lead Ghana +7, so it should be somewhere 2 a.m. or something in your time. I don't know your schedule, but there's an old FOMC news that is coming, right? This is the news that's going to push US 30 up. I'm expecting some bullish moves here, and that's when I'm going to post some US 30 trades, right? But for ISM, it's just a PMI, just like this manufacturing news. Look at this. There was another manufacturing news. I told you that there was last Monday. I told you guys that there's going to be some manufacturing news, right? So I wasn't really expecting any, So ISM, though it's bullish, but man, this is not the news that's going to push. This news is going to push those manufacturing stock markets, not indexes. All right. So yes, that's going to be 6 p.m. You wanna talk to them? You wanna say something? No, talk to them. Talk to them. I want more know. Oh, why do you want people to hear that I eat?
You like food.
Is it
Hey.
Caleb Boy?
Why you want to tell people that I eat a lot? That's Caleb.
Biggest boss.
Right. Let's go check. So yeah, I think that's the news that's going to push US30 up, right? That's the news that's going to push US, and that's going to drop gold. But today we were just looking for scalp buys, maybe some scalp buys to somewhere here, then we would go back. But well, maybe we were wrong. Let's see. Still in a big drawdown, gold. But the news was bullish though, so let's see. DSY also up. Oh. Oh, step index has triggered. Yes, I know step index has triggered. I know that step index has triggered. So we moved our stop loss on gold, okay, to 62. Let's see. US30 not really a buy, not really a strong buy. Gold sells. Bitcoin selling. Imagine falling for this trap. Please do like the video. I told you it's going to 1762. And how much did you make? That's the question. How much did you make?
Ethereum has been doing well, actually.
Pardon?
Ethereum.
Yeah, Ethereum has been doing well.
Always, do you think Ethereum will pass BTC?
Do I think Ethereum will pass BTC?
Yeah.
Ethereum is bullish. It's bullish for me, but Bitcoin is bearish for me. But it's kind of weird when you are selling Bitcoin and you are buying Ethereum. It's very, very weird because both of these pairs moves hand in hand. Right, so we are back up on gold. We almost hit stop loss, but we survived. And there's a reason why US30 is still selling. Like I said, this manufacturing news, I've been trading this a lot. It has no impact on indexes. It only has impact on manufacturing companies. So if you are here, you have learned something today. If you see ISM news, know that it only has impact on manufacturing companies. It doesn't have effect on US30 and gold, right? If it had an effect on US gold, we would have been seeing gold at 1740 even, because
So talking about the FMOC news that is coming up later,
that FOMC news, I think, I don't know the
yes.
time that would be in Nigeria or Ghana, but what I know, it's 1 a.m. If it's 1 a.m. my time, I lead Ghana 7 hours, so it's 1 a.m. my time. I'm not talking about
7 p.m. Nigerian time.
It should be 7 p.m. If it's going to be 1 a.m. my time,
7
right?
p.m. Nigerian time.
Yeah, everyone should be home. Yes.
8 p.m. in Ghana.
Yes, everyone should Everyone should be at home.
So the FOMC
So it's
news
going to
affects
push
every
gold
US effect.
downwards
Pardon?
if it comes out positive.
Pardon?
Because if it's going to push US30 up, meaning it's going to push gold
Gold
downwards.
up, yeah. But we are now trying to we are now expecting some scalps. You know, this is just a scalp signal, right? With our technical, let's say there's no news, right? If you come to the market, let's say there's no news. Let's say there's no news, right? And you are going to come to gold. Oh, gold still selling. Interesting. And you are going to sell gold with what we know here, right? With the trend line, I think it's having something like this again, right? Something like this stop hands, right? This stop hands. Remove all stop loss too. Let's say we don't have any stop loss. Remove all stop loss. I don't want us to get hit stop loss today. Remove all stop loss. It could have that stop hand because market has given us the lower low. We are looking for a lower high, right? So remove all stop loss on gold. No stop loss on gold. Let it just run.
And it has really sold.
Yes, it should. There should be a big push up. It's just about being patient. US32 selling, no impact. The news was a buy news. We should have been seeing market skyrocketing, but market is still going up. And DXY2 very, 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 very much up. Oh, that means USD pairs should be booming now. USD JPY, USD. Let's check USD JPY or USD, any of the USD pairs. Oh, okay. If you guys remember this signal, USD JPY, we caught, I don't know, was it 80 pips? Sell USD JPY now, we caught 80 pips and market retrace. That is why you should also be taking partials sometimes. Yeah, you should also be taking partials. So I'm still holding gold, right? I would update you guys on the group. Those are my only two trades that I have now, right? Gold buys, US30 sells. We're already done with US30 sales. We had over 100 points on US30 sales. Gold still running, okay? Gold still, so let's still hold gold. We would have hit stop loss again, right? So let's still hold it. I'm still expecting something huge, okay? It's now at the demand zone, right? It's now at the demand zone. So let's see, right? Let's see. Yes, remove stop loss. No point chasing gold. You know, we are not going to chase it. No point selling it. There's no point. There's a whole support here. So let's see. If it breaks this support, maybe I'll start looking for sales, or I'll just not do anything on gold now. You're expecting something huge. Okay. All right, any questions before we do hop out today? And another amazing trading day so far. Any questions? Yes, and I would be giving you guys my what is this? Coin market cap. I will be listing top 15 cryptocurrencies that I'm holding now. Right, I'll be showing you guys top 15 cryptocurrencies that I'm holding now. I do a lot of research into these projects, check their white papers, whatsoever, and the news and their ratings and the analysis, everything. I do check them. So I'll be listing potential 100% coins. All of them should be 100 plus. Some would be 200, some would be 500, some would be 300. I'll be listing them on the cryptocurrency VIP page. Right, Friday, not today, Friday. Right, I'm still on it. That's my next project now. So I'll be listing 15 cryptocurrency coins that you should invest in. Right, minimum of 100% on each coin, and we've given ourselves till January. Right, the move should take till January. Right, then we do get the vibes. Right, any questions?
So we are not on the crypto page. How are we going to benefit? Or we are not part?
We would see. Let's pray gold goes up. If it goes up, I would see.
Yes.
All right, so lower low, right? Lower low. Another lower low here, right? So we are expecting there's a lower high. See it this way. There's a lower high, right? There's another lower high. So we are expecting something huge on gold. No stop loss attached to this. I will do updates you guys on the trade, right? I'll do updates you guys on this trade, right? So interesting day. No questions. Any questions? Any questions? How much for your VIP class? $150 lifetime.
Elvis, can you do a quick analysis on silver?
All right, cool. Let's do an analysis on silver. Let's do a quick analysis on silver. What are we looking out for? Okay, same move as gold, right? Same move as gold.
It moves like gold, like
okay,
literally the same.
Literally the same. So let's do the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so 4-hour time frame looks like a sell on silver for me. Looks like a sell on silver for me. So how would I be looking for buys on gold and looking for sells on silver? Strange. So silver looks like a sell. Yes, I'm bearish on silver. I've not traded this before, but what's your bias?
Sells.
Your bias is so you're still looking for sells. Yes, I think sells on silver, but if sells on silver, why are we buying gold? Okay, we'll see. I would do update you guys too. I'll do update you guys. All right. So interesting day. Nice US30 run. Gold still in a big drawdown, of which I would update you guys on the channel. Right. So. And I did also update Bitcoin, right? What's going to happen on Bitcoin? So if you didn't start watching these videos after this session, go back and re-watch it, and we would see. Let's get it. I'll be trading FOMC news with VIP today, right? We have FOMC news. This news can get us 200 points per trade. I'll be trading US30 and maybe one Forex pair, and maybe I don't know. Maybe go to, we'll see about that. Then we will definitely get the vibes on that. Step index got triggered in 30 pips profits, right? Get triggered in 30 pips profits. So let's see for step index. So God bless everyone for watching. Do like the video if you like what happened today. Thank you Ashi for joining us. Thank you Olushola. Thank you Emmanuel. Thank you Desmond. Thank you, Precious. Thank you, Maxwell. Thank you, Esfiso. Thank you, Michael. Thank you, Nessa. Thank you, Karim. Though I didn't hear you today. Thank you, Safas. Tomorrow, same people I'll be sending the link to same people, right? But tomorrow is going to be much more interactive. Today we traded just US30 and gold. Tomorrow we'll be trading a lot of pairs, right? Tomorrow we'll be trading a lot of pairs because we have NFP Friday, so we are going to be having a lot of news. You can see a lot of news from 7 p.m. We have another OPEC news that's going to affect the market all day. So tomorrow is going to be very fun. You shouldn't miss tomorrow's live. We'll be having some interesting news on GBP, and of course we are going to be having unemployment rates This is NFP. NFP is Friday, but there should have been an unemployment rate news on USD pairs, which isn't yet, but it's on investing.com. It's not on Forex Factory, unfortunately. So we are going to be having GBP trades and USD trades tomorrow. That means we are going to be trading UK 100 and US 30 NAS 100 and SPS 500 too, plus GBP pairs and USD pairs. So tomorrow is going to be very fun, especially if you want to know how to trade the news, right? Do join us tomorrow. God bless everyone for joining. Do like the video, take a picture, tag me on my Instagram, and let's get the vibe. Thank you all for joining. Tomorrow, same people, I'll be sending you the link for the Zoom session. Thank you for joining.
Thank you.